layer is from few meters to about more than 1,000 meters. And basically it is a balance between the soil, between the temperature that is above the soil and below the soil, is the geothermal gradient below the soil. Permafrost environment is extreme because
Don't read everything, go to next slide.
effects of climate change. Now, as I told, because of the increasing global temperature, the permafrost, the initial layer of permafrost, which is called the active layer, which is about almost 10 meters, considered to be 10 meters, annually it ferments, and during winter it forms again. But due to the increasing temperature, this formation of the layer is decreasing.
Next slide. So you have put lot of text. What is the reason? Full paragraphs you have put, which I told is not. What is the idea behind this? Everything that if you put and read, it is just like reading an article.
So composition.
Can you give a quantitative estimate of carbon that is locked up in Siberian permafrost?
Sir, it is approximately 1,600 million tons.
What is the source of that information?
So I read about too many papers, so in one of the
Next slide.
So why Siberia? Because in the northern hemisphere, more than one.
Go to your references last. See, you say you have referred to papers, but same thing that did you download any papers? Did you download any papers?
So I downloaded papers, but then I was searching for the citation and I didn't get it.
You didn't get what?
Citation.
There are thousands and thousands of papers on Siberian permafrost. Huge amount of research is going on. All these are websites, articles or tertiary sources. I saw one report called subcommittee report. Where you found that subcommittee report, permafrost? It is quite old. It is more than 30 years old. 1988, you said. This is not the way to. Now you see this. I can't make out. Are these websites or what? Same question which I asked Bende also. Everybody seems to be going for this one. Citation means I don't understand. You have to cite it the way standard procedure is there. If a student is stuck somewhere, you just Google how to cite. You will get thousands of references. You think that teachers have some extraordinary Google for teachers and extraordinary Google for students? We use same interface, no? Suppose you are stuck. You don't get citation. You can cite it. You give me one example, one paper quoted there, just go back to your presentation. Number 2 or something you have given. 3, or what is 3? You have quoted this. This cannot be a website. This must be a publication. So, exactly. So, publications need citations. Now, these publications you got from which source? Exactly. So, when you go to Google Scholar, the citation is already there. You have to copy and paste it in the reference list. That's all. Instead of that, you have given something else. The downloading link you have given. You have given URL for downloading link. That is not acceptable. That is not reference. If every PhD student start doing it, the thesis will come back. So we can't make out now how old is the reference. We can't make out. Because you are supposed to work on latest papers in 2017. Wi-Fi is not working there. Or it is not connected. Just check. We have to connect it. Unless we connect it, it will not work. Connect it. It will ask you, Unigo or staff, something it will ask you. Because I am hampered if there is no Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi means students may not have linked it.